Welcome back, guys, to this channel. In this video I'll show you how to find jobs on Amazon. So on your Google, go to Amazon Jobs and click this website from the Amazon itself, and then scroll down. You have different options here, but for this video let's look for opportunities for students. And then once it has fully loaded, you just have to choose here. When you scroll down, you'll find a lot of options here depending on what kind of job, either full-time or part-time. You can filter all the results, and then you can also filter out per country or region. So for example, I'm filtering jobs from Germany, so here are your options. And then for example, we will choose this job. You will just have to review the description and click apply now, and that's it. That's how you find jobs in Amazon. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like and subscribe.